The Fiona Stanley Hospital is a major tertiary hospital in Perth's South metropolitan area, delivering comprehensive healthcare services to communities south of Perth and across the state. In keeping with Fiona Stanley's principle of efficiency, the facility is using a leading-edge maintenance and facilities management system to control smooth running of the entire hospital.
Agility is a state-of-the-art collection of tools and processes that allow us to improve efficiencies through any environment, one of them including hospitals.
Due to the scale of all the operations here at Fiona Stanley, we need a product like Agility in order to bring together the 1,000 or more support staff to work together as one big team, but also work very efficiently and effectively, and Agility does that for us.
In terms of choosing Agility for Fiona Stanley, the key elements were our ability to integrate with disparate systems within the hospital to create an ecosystem of data that enabled the hospital to function effectively.
Agility is a powerful facilities management software suite produced by SSG Insight that is leading the way in healthcare across the globe. Here's how it works. Every task or aspect relating to the hospital's facilities management is recorded in Agility. Service requests are automatically deployed and assigned to staff based on their location, skill set and current workload. This results in the most cost and time-effective solution to every task that arises day to day.
Hospitals have lots of different departments with lots of different requirements, so what works for one department might not work for another one. Agility is a very agile product. It's very quick to change, and we can incorporate lots of new features very quickly.
At the Agility Control Centre, the software currently deploys more than 80,000 service requests per month, assigning work to staff, automated guided vehicles or other relevant systems.
Agility is a game changer as it allows our maintenance staff to respond to jobs in a very efficient manner. Accountability is the name of the game in service response, and Agility helps deliver that.
Agility is the way of the future. I would definitely recommend all hospitals take this on. I personally think it's an essential tool, one that I would hate to work without.
Everybody benefits from Agility. Agility is so interwoven at Fiona Stanley, whether you're a patient, whether you're a clinician, whether you're a visitor, or whether you actually work as part of Serco, benefit from Agility because everybody will use it one way or other or interact with it one way or another.
I think Agility means for the future of healthcare that we're able to offer a very flexible, configurable solution, not just in Australia but globally, that will help serve the healthcare needs of many facilities into the future.